fall. Oh my gosh, this chair. Yeah, in a minute. So I'll update you as oh Lord, it's not working anymore. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you've been doing well and doing great. So today we're going to be reviewing The Ordinary. Remember I did a video a while back. I will leave the link to that video somewhere up here. So today we're going to be reviewing The Ordinary again. But today we've got a different product. We've got the Ordinary's Alpha Arbutin 2%. Now, I've been using this, so I finished off my vitamin C and Alpha Arbutin combination a while back, and I've been using this Alpha Arbutin serum for my face. What this serum does is it helps to lighten any dark areas or anything from hyperpigmentation stemming from dark spots to melasma to acne scarring. So it's really good. And the beautiful thing about Alpha Arbutin again is the fact that it is derived from natural sources. So it's basically is derived from plants, which makes it a much better and a much safer alternative to lightening agents like hydroquinone, steroids, and the rest of them. So basically, if you have any issues with like acne scars, dark spots, it really helps. Now, the beautiful thing about The Ordinary is it is skincare that is targeted towards relieving any issues we have in our skin. But again, it comes highly recommended from the standpoint that it actually works, and also from the standpoint of a price pocket perspective. Is quite pocket friendly and totally delivers on what it says on the box. So I'm going to be opening this up. Basically, this is what it looks like. Hydroquinone has had such a bad rap over the years. It's got a really bad reputation because people have abused it. So basically, it's like the concept of alcohol. Alcohol in itself is not dangerous, but the excessive use of alcohol is definitely dangerous. So it's the same thing for hydroquinone. It basically has been abused in terms of it's been used excessively in high levels, in high percentages, which has made it extremely unstable and dangerous for our skin in the short, medium, and long term. And also the fact that it is something that is used only for certain skin conditions and not as an everyday usage for your skin. So if you would even find that in some countries you can't get access to it over the counter, you'd have to get a prescription for you to actually get access to it. So Alpha Arbutin is definitely the safer route to go if you do want to achieve that lightening in your skin the safe way. But also you also have to know how to use it to be able to achieve the benefits that it has to offer, and for you to achieve the benefits that your skin is seeking from it. So basically there are two types of arbutin. There's the beta arbutin and the alpha arbutin. The alpha arbutin is the one that is being sold by The Ordinary. Again, it is definitely more stable. It's water soluble, so it's definitely more stable in cosmetics, and it's definitely more stable in concentrated quantities, which makes it easier from application to usage. Now, the beauty about Alpha Arbutin is it doesn't work the same way as hydroquinone. Now, hydroquinone is like all guns blazing, right? It just basically works to inhibit melanin production or inhibit naturally occurring melanin in your skin. Alpha Arbutin actually does the opposite. It basically works with your skin. It basically is targeted at just working on evenly on lightening the skin in a way where it doesn't interfere with the skin's natural melanin production. So it definitely is safer. Anything you apply on your skin topically is soaked into your skin by your pores, so it goes straight into your bloodstream. Now, you don't want to mess around too much with synthetic chemicals because, again, this goes right into your bloodstream. Now, the fact that Alpha Arbutin is naturally derived from plants, from berries, from fruits, it makes it much safer. So even when it's absorbed into your skin, and it doesn't cause much harm thereafter. when using Alpha Arbutin, you don't have to worry about it severely damaging your skin. Again, because of the natural source it's derived from, it makes it definitely more balanced and more stable for you to apply on your skin. So who can use it? All skin types can benefit from the benefits that Alpha Arbutin has to offer. Again, if you're pregnant or nursing, then you definitely might need to speak to your doctor before you use any of these products. But this product is actually stable enough for all skin types to actually benefit from. I've been loving using this because it's basically helping. I've been on a peanut butter and butter binge recently, which has resulted in me having more acne. It's my fault, I know. So basically, I've been using this. It's a really light based serum. I'll just show you what it looks like at the back of my hand, right here. So it's like water based, and it just basically just goes right into your skin. So it's not greasy to the touch. It just goes right into your skin, and you know, once you massage it through, it goes in. You don't have that greasiness on the upper layer of your skin, and you're actually just good to go. So basically what I do is I just put a few drops on my face, or you can put a few drops on your hand and just rub it together to activate the serum, and then you can just press it into your face. Don't forget your neck. You know, your neck is as good as your face. So whatever you use on your face, you should definitely slap it on your neck as well. So basically you can pair this serum. You can include the serum to whatever you're using at the moment. But in terms of interference, you need to really make sure that you don't use anything that would interfere with it working at its optimum level. So basically what I do is I use this on my face twice a day. What do I think about this? Because I use the vitamin C paired with Alpha Arbutin, I basically think that this is a very good product to follow up from that one. It basically just is doing what the vitamin C did, but I believe the vitamin C sort of accelerated lifting off my dark pigmentation faster than this one. Again, because of the L-ascorbic acid that has been included in the vitamin C combination. But this is really, really good because you can get the benefits of evening out your skin tone, lightening age spots or acne scars without damaging your skin. I think that is the key. You want to achieve that flawlessness and that glow to your skin without necessarily damaging it or getting your skin breakout in multiple levels of irritation or dark patches. So Alpha Arbutin definitely should replace Hydroquinone in our skincare. It should definitely be the choice lightening agent that you can use for your skin because of the natural source it's derived from. It makes it more stable and safer to use. So I will update you on, in a minute. So I'll update you as oh Lord, it's not working anymore. So I will update you as I go through this bottle and let you know if I do find any cons. I don't have any cons at the moment. What I have is pro. But as I said, I will update you as I go along. Again, when you use this product or any other product that promises to lighten your skin, don't forget to put on your sun protection or your sunscreen so you protect your skin from getting photosensitive from the sun or from the rays of the sun. Sun protection is an absolute must when you use any lightening products. So I hope you found this video informative. As I said, I'll be updating along if I need to on the Alpha Arbutin 2% from the Ordinary. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, definitely consider subscribing. Until I come your way again, it's FA signing out, and I guess I'll see you soon.